Kumsah nile som pasari Mizoram Civil Service Exam Prelims Paper 2 Question le answer te tuntuma hian kan en ho le donani kumsah nile som panga sah nile som paruk MCS Prelims Paper 2 zona le chana te he ka channel a hian kalau upload towa kan en duani chuan ka channel a hian video upload to sau hi kan en let mai don nia ole question le answer kan lu main kan share tur chu MCS Prelims Paper 2 hi mark zani pu ania darkar ni chunga chan turani ti chuan sahni le som pasari MCS Prelims Paper 2 a hian question masaber hi passage atanga chan turania question number 1 atanga question number 3 kar hi passage number 1 mang hian chan turani kan soi thinang khanin passage te hi kan chiar vek lo mai nga kum sang ni le som pasari MCS Prelims 2 paper 2 a question hlui kan lo download anga uluk takin passage te kan lo chiar anga ti chuan question answer chana te hi mani thewin kan lo en anga kan lo test mai donia le passage number 1 na question le answer te kan en hawanga question number 1 a hian the definition of the world peace as an ideal of freedom, peace and happiness tinia answer to none of these di turani dina none of these ania it's one question te hi kan share vek to lo mai nga question hlui kan lo download anga chute tang chuan kan lo en mil mai donia video atanga passage te kan lo share do ni chuan video hi kan lo pause lokanga kan lo stop lokanga ti chuan kan share zo nuwa zo na le chan na te kan en mai donia number 2 na answer to C ani question number 3 answer to B question number 4 hi passage 1 azawa passage 2 a hian question number 4 to 6 in kar hi chan turani passage hi kan share chhuak lo mai nga ti chuanin answer kan soi le nga question number 4 answer to A ani question number 5 answer to C infringes the laws regulating fuel warfare ani question number 6 answer to D ani segregated tikhan passage 2 kan zo le passage 3 a hian question 7 le question 10 in kar question te chan turania chuan passage share du kanom takin reilo te tian kan focus anga kan lo pause anga passage te kan share anga chumi hnuwa question answer te kan chang don nia so in question number 7 a hianin answer to C ani question 8 answer to A question 9 answer to B ani question 10 answer to D tikan passage 3 kan zo le a passage 4 a lut leila passage 4 hi question number 11 le 14 kar question chan turania passage 4 a hianin chuanin pause du kan oma chiar du kan ome chuan reilo te tian kan focus anga ole tikhan question number 11 answer to A ani question number 12 answer to C 13 answer to D question number 14 answer to hemi hi option hi anon ti dik lawa chuanin answer chana dikhi om lawani question number 15 hi chu passage atanga chan turani to lawa comprehension atanga chan turani to lawa ti chuanin 15 na answer to C ani 15 answer C ania 16 question answer to B ani 17 answer chu A ania. 18 D. 19 A. 20 hi B ani. Emotional intelligence. Question number 21 answer to B. Oral communication. 22 answer to A ani. 23 answer to B. Read tinia. Question number 24 answer to D ani. Wrong focus. Question number 25 answer to B. Trust, motivation and mutual respect ani. 26 answer to B. 27 answer to B. Thau ani ya. Question number 28 answer to B. Connect din ya. Question number 29 answer B. Thau. Question 30 hian letter alphabet rem dikturan ya. If O Q N E D R R N Q is equal for professor, then D M S D Q D C is equal for tinia. Question chan na dikchu A enter tini. Question number 31 answer to D dika ania. Dichuan question somthung le panhi na hian triangle problems, triangle circle problems ania. Hemi lematang hianin question kan chhang don ani. 32 na answer to D ani. Some professor artists are sportsmen tini. It's 133 na hianin answer to D. Some gentlemen are invited to the party ani. 34 answer to D. 160 ania. Question number 35 answer po D thau ani. Mathematical problem, mathematics nampang ania. 34 atang hianin. 136 answer hi option answer hi. Correct option hin tidik lawa. Answer dikan da lo wangin. To be compensated tinia chumyom zia chu mark hi an pedon tinani. Option A, B, C le D hian correct option omlo tinani chu. Answer paper, question paper set in how in anti diklo tinani. Question number 37 answer to D ani. Question number 38 answer C. Question number 39 answer to C. Question 40 answer to A. North. 41 question to answer to C. 42 answer to C thau ania. 43 answer to C. Rewards. 43 C 1:4 ani. Question 44 answer to D. Uncertainty ani. Dash is when an alternative is chosen because the magistrate believes it is good enough to solve his or her problem tinia. Hemi dash da kha tur chu answer to 45 answer to B ani. Satisfying. Question number 46 answer to A ani. Question number 47 the decision making process concludes with tinia. Answer to D. Evaluation of the decision effectiveness ani. 48 answer to A. 49 atanga 49 atanga 51 question hi passays tuna passays kan mu hi kami atanga chiara chumi atanga passays atanga chan turania reilo te tian kan focus anga chiar du kan chuan kan pause anga kan chiar nga chumi hnuwa question zon le chana kan lu don ani wala question number 49 lu tila 49 answer to C, 50 answer to A, 51 question answer to B, brainstorming ani, 52 answer to D, 53 answer to A, 54 answer to B, thinking or feeling, 55 answer to A ani, 56 answer he B, 57 answer to B thau ani. This one question number 58 atanga 60 in car hi figure chishang shang ti hian lemaron omle chu rem dik turani. This one 58 question B ki answer to A ani. Chuan in 59 correct answer to C ani. Alem hingun takin kan enanga hemi aron pek arem dik thei dan ber kha ani. Ti chuan 60 hian MLM hi ron peya option A B C D aron peya option A B C D atang hian hemi rem dik arem aron chuak thei tur ber kha kha zon tur ani a. Chuan in 60 answer to D ani. Hemi hi kan rema kan sizing chuan hemi hi aron chodon ti nani. Chuan in question 61 le 63 hian a letter problem ani ya. Chuan in alphabet a letter tiana ron ziak clara. Chuan in 61 question answer big to D ani, correct answer D. Chuan in 62 answer to B ani, indifferent, apathetic ti omzia chu indifferent ti nani. Same meaning zon tur zo kani 61 le 63 in kara hianin. Chuan in 63 answer dik chu A ani, furtive. Chuan in 64 le 66 in car hi question hlom khat ani leya. Same meaning kan zong le don ani. Chuan in 64 answer to A ani, 65 answer to D, 66 let sleeping dogs lie in ya. Hemi proverb omzia same meaning option atanga same meaning similar bear to correct answer to 66 correct answer to D ani. Let sleeping dogs lie ti omzia chu never look for trouble, let trouble look for you tinani. Chuan question number 67 le 69 in car hi hlom khat ani leya. Chuan in choose the letter of the one set that does not follow the rule tinia. Chuan in 67 answer to A ani. Hian heng ho A B C le D ho in rema hian rules a follow lo ber tinani adang lambik tinani. 68 answer to A, 69 answer to B, 70 answer to D, steel, iron, copper, lead ani. Chuan in question somsari le pakhat na le somsari le pahnih na hi problem figure answer figure ta hina ron peya figure ron peya chuta chuan in 71 answer correct answer to A ani, emi hi ani. 72 na left side hianin problem figure oma, right side hian answer figure oma. Chuan in 72 correct answer to C ani, emi hi 73 na hianin probability problem ania chuanin 73 answer to B ani 4 by 13 74 answer to C 961 ani 75 hian Venn diagram aron peya chuanin correct answer to 75 correct answer to B ani 76 correct answer to B 77 correct answer to C 78 correct answer to B 79 correct answer to C 80 correct answer to C 3% ani ya ti chuanin question 81 la 83 in kar hian pie chart aron pe ya chuanin mi pie chart atang hian chan tur ani mela 81 na answer to D ani rupees 8960 82 na answer to A ani 83 question answer to C rupees 800 ani ya this one question 84 to 86 in kar hian graph aron pelea emi graph aron pe katang hian question 84 to 86 in kar hi chan turani leni this one in question 84 problem answer to A ani sini sanga 85 answer to A sing rukle sang thum 86 to answer to D ani 33 ani the one in 87 le 19 kar hi passeis kan mulea passeis hi pali thot aron pelea passeis masaber hi 87 le 90 in kar channa ani dona tichuanin tian kan focus nga reilote hemi hi kan pause nga hemi hi kan share chhuak patanga tichuanin passeis one kan share atang khan 87 le 90 in kar question kan chang dona ni tichuanin 87 question answer to B ani narrative ani ya 88 question answer to A ani 89 question answer to C 90 question answer to B this one in passeis pahni na question 91 le 93 in kar chan turania passeis tu tang hian khan passeis tu kan lo pause nga lo chiranga chumi tang chuan 91 question answer to B 92 question answer to A 93 D 92 hi A ania 93 hi B 93 question answer to D ani this one in passeis 2 kan zo le passeis 3 and lela passeis 3 ayan 94 to 96 question in kar chan turania tian kan focus nga chuan kan pause nga passeis 3 kan share zo huna 94 answer to A ani chuan 95 answer to B ani leya complete rebirth 96 answer to C ani chuanin passeis 3 kan zo le ta passeis 4 kan en lenga to bera hemi hian 97 atrangan 100 question kar hi chan turania yan passeis hi kan chiaranga kan pause nga video hi chuan kan share zo nuwa 97 question answer to D 98 C 99 A le atober question 100 chana to D sarcastic ani khangzong ka kumsang ni le som pasari Mizoram Civil Service Prelims paper 2 question zone le chana kan en ho thei te chu ni